Look at my little famba. Twins. Riffy, put that down, boy. Riffy, no. Hey. See, you make the ball gone under the people's car. Where's the ball? No, let mommy get it. Oh my gosh, watch you. You got it? Oh wow. You love. Come. You mess up your hair though, Rivi. Stop, don't run, stop running. Guys, we need to go to our appointment. Come. Look at my little Rivi. We are finally off. A twist up. Rainy is asleep. Look at our two babies in the back. Sean is just strapping River in. And it's time for us to head out on the road. Good day, guys. Welcome back. Wow. We're actually rushing out. We have an appointment for both of the kitties. So this is the first time that we're actually leaving the house with the two of them. So we got them both strapped in back there. Oh, he pacified there, babe. Sorry. And yeah, we have a doctor's appointment for both of them. So that's where we're headed. So we're gonna talk to you guys when we get there. All right. Twins. Sean, look up there. Let me see your face. What? Are you daddy's twin? Are you twins? Oh no. Baby, don't wet up yourself, you know. You're always doing that. Miss Rain is down here fast asleep still. Oh, Rain, Henry, room 16. We are gonna go. This is next anyway. Oh gosh. Come, River. I got him, Sean. We're 16 this way. This way, babe. Hey, Riv. Hey, cute boy. Guys, he was just here playing with her little toes. Look at her. Tiny little Rainy. Yeah, I can see just how tiny she is in this little car. See? Rivi, you see Rain? Yeah. She's sleeping, Riv. Yeah, so the both of them just had their appointments, guys, with the doctor. River was so good. I was telling Sean, like, he laid on so nice for his little checkup. And I was like, what? He just lie down, let the doctor do her little feels and, you know. But both of them are fine anyways, nothing to be concerned about. It's just a normal general health check. You know, we decided to have them both checked out. Little minor stuff, but yeah, they're both okay. No concerns. But I was just so surprised that he like lied down for her and she like just did her thing and he was good. He's a good boy. River's a good boy, you know. Yeah, so we're gonna head. So you wanna take him to the park now, babe? You wanna go? Yeah, let me do that. Yeah, look at us, but we got 2 under 2. Let me come put her blanket back over her. And I was saying that we could probably go to the park because it's actually a really nice day. I say nice, it's still cold, but it's not as cold. It's actually quite it's bearable. So we were thinking that we could probably like take River to the park, you know, let him run about for a bit. It's been a while since he's been to the park, so I think he would enjoy that. I'm just tucking her in here under this cozy blanket. Yeah. She would not open her eyes. Just it was so hard to get her eyes open because the doctor needed to look into her eyes, and the doctor turned the light off. Every time she turned the light off, Rain opened her eyes. When she turned the light back on, her eyes locked tight, and I'm like, come on now, Rain, what's going on? But it's too bright. The light was too bright, that's all, because she was asleep before. Yeah, so let's get going. Sean already gone outside with the River, and she's just here in her car seat. So yeah. Why is Rivi so serious? Why is Rivi so tickle you, Bessie? I'm gonna tickle you. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Touch you on your nose. Tickle, 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 tickle. Hi. You and this pacifier. You can't let go the pacifier, Riv. Give me the passy, Rivi. We made a stop. We made a stop to get some drinks before we head to the park. So I was just playing with River. Y'all see how I just pick up my face though? Face breakout, you know? And I'm going to go drink a Coke. I don't learn. See y'all at the park. All right, see you at the park. So we're here. We are at the park. Do you guys remember when we took River here? We vlogged when he was, the first time we took him to the park, actually, we vlogged. He was 10 months old and he really, really enjoyed it. Baby, look where you're going. What you looking at? Turn around. Sarah, where you going? Rain look nice and cozy there though. Baby gone already. River gone, guys, look here. This is what he like, he can run wild. River! Where's River going though? Tell me now. Oh my gosh, look at him. Look at River, y'all. Hey, Rivy. Look here, look here. Can't keep up with River now, you know. Careful, Riv. Careful. Careful, Riv. Come. Hold on, cause this got dog poop here. I don't want you running in that. Let's go this way, okay? You can probably go on the slide. Yeah. Let's do that. Ray don't even know that she's out and about. And look at how this is going. Wobbling, wobbling, and she's just sleeping like a baby. No, Riv, come. Go back. You're gonna go on the slide. He just wanna run up and down in the grass, you know. Come on, Rivy. Wow. This way, Riv. Okay. Or not. Come this way. Come. Come to Mama this way. Come on, Riv. River, you either got to slide or go through the tunnel. Come, Riv. Wow. Come. Come, come, come. We're gonna go down the slide and say, wee! Wee! River, you ain't went far at all. River, this way, come. Look at him. But where he be, River is so wild. Look at him. Riv. Wait, come over here first. Go ahead, go back up. Come, go back up, go back up. Go up. Good job, Riv. 2, 3. Good job, Riv. Oh, oops. We're gonna go down the slide. We're gonna go down the slide, Rivy. Yay! Yay! As y'all can see, River enjoys being here so much. I can't wait for Rain to be much older to come and have her fun too with River. I'm here pushing him, y'all. Yeah. And Sean is just over there with Rain. If you had enough play hour, you had enough yet, Sean? Good job, Riv. Wow. Nice. You got him, Sean? Yeah, he look a bit scared, yes. Baby, are you scared?
Hold on, Ruby. Good job. Yay.
Wow.
Yay.
Baby, let's go, Riv.
Now,
time
Ruby.
to go, baby.
Let's go. Come on, Papa.
It's time to go, Rivy. It's getting cold. Let's go. We underestimate
Gloves on hat.
how we like it feel good, but then if you're out in it for long, it's different, I guess. Look at my little fam bam. Yeah, we're going home. I know it's like short. Oh, we get a lot of mud on it. Oh. Should I continue vlogging then? Oh. Rivi, Rivi, did you have fun? Did you have fun at the park? Yeah? Say, tell him you had fun. Say, I had fun. Say, fun, fun, fun. Stand up, don't sit. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Don't run. You like to run off? Oh gosh. Yeah. So just a quick little stop at the park. You see, River had his little fun. He loved the park, and that's one thing though. Just this big space for him to run about. Right, cute boy? Right, sweet boy, Riv? Yeah, so we're gonna head home now, y'all. It's getting cold. You hear me talking about it's such a good day. Look at the sky. It's actually getting cold now. So we're gonna head off. Home. Ooh. I had a sleeping baby, y'all. I gotta lift him up inside the house now. Oh gosh. Baby, are you cool, baby? Oh. Yeah. Sean have rain. Go inside it. Who this package for me? Probably. Yeah, that's my package. My Rivy is tired. Guys, we're home now. We're gonna go have dinner. We missed nap time because that was our appointment time, right? So you didn't get to have a nap. Rivy, you'll always be my favorite son. My favorite serious son. Still serious. Let me go get dinner, y'all. Talk to y'all in a bit. River, why are you running in the couch? River is running wild in the couch. I am here trying to feed Rain. River, put that down, boy. Come here, come. Here. What's up? Mind your fall, River. She don't want my boob. She wants to take I think she's crying for the bottle. Introduce her to the bottle way too quick, y'all. Struggle, y'all. The struggle. Alright. River, no! Hey! Hey! Why River just went down head first to get off of the couch? River, stop that.